Greetings! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the forward neck position of your neck. Some people call it the military posture position. Before I go any further, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a chiropractor, so don't take any medical advice from me. It's just from my personal experience. So what happens is over time, when we're looking on our cell phone or smartphone, we're doing this the whole time. Well, it's like an 8-pound bowling ball going like this. And if you know anything about the spine, it's got like a natural S shape to it. And at the very end of the neck, it's supposed to be like a C, like this. And so after amount of time, if you keep doing this, it's going to go like this, and it's going to be straight forward. That's not. It'll cause degenerative, disc disease, to where your disc will start wearing out and everything, and it's overall not good. By the way, it can reverse. You can actually heal those discs if your spine is correctly postured the right way. So it actually can reverse damage that you've done to it. So there's a few things that I do, exercises that I do. One thing you can do is lay down on a bed and then just put your head on the side of the bed and go like this while you're laying down for like 20 minutes and push back, and that'll help create that natural C shape. You could do it at your desk. You can go like this and actually use muscle to push and see if you could hold it there for like 15-20 minutes. If not that much, you can work up to it. I have this thing, it's called a traction device, and I lay down on the ground, and then I'll put my head over it with my neck right here, and then this thing will actually strap to my forehead, and then it'll push me down. I can do this for like 10 minutes, and that'll help create that C shape that I want to do. And remember, to get that C shape back in your neck, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to be something that will take you weeks, if not a few months, to try to start seeing the C shape coming back. It's kind of like tuning a piano. They say an average to tune a piano, it's like 2 hours. But the professionals that have these grand pianos, sometimes they have to keep coming back every day for like a week to a month to get the right tune of a grand piano. Just remember, your neck is the same way. Be patient with it. Don't think it's going to just happen overnight. Put something in your schedule to where you might work on it every couple of days, where you arch your back. And chiropractors, they're worth their weight in gold. I remember around the early 2000s, I had my back was popping. Every time I would turn in a desk, it would go pop, pop, pop. And I started going to a chiropractor, and I swear to you, they did adjustments, and till this day, I stopped going to the chiropractor. I do not have those popping sounds, and it feels good, because it used to be, I'd put my hands up on a bar and pull up just to try to relieve pressure from my lower back. But after doing those adjustments for over, like a year, I stopped having that, and it's still, to this day, I don't have popping. At the chiropractor, they would do like this traction device. Now, and also a good thing about a chiropractor is that they take x-rays. So they'll tell you, the progress that you're making with your neck and with your whole spine altogether after they do adjustments. And that's kind of a good thing to do, because that way you could see exactly what you're doing, and the progress of your neck and how much further you need to go. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these things, and in the description I'll put some device that I've seen, like traction things that you can get on Amazon or eBay, something to help you aid with that. But remember, it's not something that's going to take overnight. You're not going to be able to do this overnight. It's going to take a while to do it. And again, definitely consult with a chiropractor to get you in the right direction. All right, thanks for watching.